Gather the Family allows you to easily add sources and citations to your family information stored on Gather the Family. If you have a digital copy of a document you want to reference, you can start by uploading that file in the same way you upload a photo in the application. Once you have uploaded the file, you can go to the Sources and Documents and click on the document. You will be able to enter the author, publication, and title fields. To cite a source in your work, you can go to any person, name, or event in the application and you will see a citation area, either tabbed for a person or event or the citation icon next to a name. On the Citations page, there's a button that says Add Citation. Click the button. You will be able to enter your citation as well as a page number if you have one. You will also be able to select a source. You can create a new source if the source you are citing does not exist in the system yet. Check out our other videos to learn some next steps to take with Gather the Family.